Alright, good morning. Good morning, good morning. It's Jan Navigator here again, and right now we are again on the road going southbound. So, ngayon pabibigyan natin si Boss Charlie kasi he was inviting us since then. Since then na nag-open yung yung campsite niya doon sa may Pangil, Laguna. That is Camp Charlie Nay sa may Pangil, Laguna. So right now we are in here entering the Skyway. We're going to meet up our friends there sa may Petron southbound sa may San Pedro banda. So our meetup time there is 0630 and now time check is 0610 on a Saturday morning on a rainy day. Sure, no, it's a typhoon already sa may eastern side ng Philippines. So yun, tingnan nyo, it's so gloomy. Not so gloomy, but it's so dark. So see you there, and just keep on watching. We're going to show you how good is that Camp Charlie Nay. Well, good morning.
Breakfast na muna tayo dito.
O sige, kape muna tayo dyan. Sa may Petron Select southbound. Kuha mo yung kape.
Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Your loving on me makes me feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim in your eyes so I can tell the truth. I got so high, oh I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me that don't need no money.
Boss Charlie, good morning! Kamusta, kamusta? Jan Navigator na lang. Ako si Mrs. Dana Heroy. Nandiyan na ba sila ni Boss Rael?
Wala pa.
Hanap na kami pwesto dun. Sige, thank you, thank you. Good morning, good morning. Wow, diba?
Telling me you feel fine. Never leave, never leave, never leave, never leave, never leave in your side. Wanna keep you in my life, don't need to move. Whenever you here, I feel like I can't lose. Baby, I wanna ride with you. Oh, I got so high, oh, I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body.
Alright, good morning. Dito na tayo ngayon sa may Camp Charlie Nay. So ito yung campsite nila. So ang dumating kami dito, ang lakas ng ulan. Okay naman siya. Ano lang, siyempre hindi ka makalabas kasi maulan. Pero ang ganda ng place, tsaka nung pagpasok, talagang ganda ng fog, ang dilim, wala ka makita, zero visibility. Pag nag-overland kami tapos may nadaanan kaming rig na na-stuck or kailangan ng hatak, automatic na yan, tulong agad. We offer our rig to help with recovery. Ganyan talaga. tulungan lang sa trail.
Kape tayo. Mga amigo, amiga, kape tayo. So this is how we make up our coffee here in the campsite. Right, ang campsite. Pero kaming baka nag-beans and then we just grind it here on fresh coffee. And then we're just using French press. Hot water, French press. That's it. Leave it for 3 minutes maybe. Then good siya. Kape ka na. Ito na beautiful.
Ayan. Meron tayong expander, wild track. Hi sir, good afternoon. John.
Good afternoon.
Yan. So mga Ranger to, Ford Ranger East Philippines kasi to eh. Yan o. Ito si Boss Rael. Ang dami. Boss MJ. Hello Chef, good afternoon.
Ay, shoutout tayo dyan kay
Yeah.
Jam Navigator.
Hello.
Yan.
Thank
Kahit
you.
tayo kapatid,
Sige,
yan.
sige, sige.
Medyo mausok na, no? Mapagi.
Oo nga eh, no? Ganda ng weather. Wow. Saan ka pwesto, bro? Ha? Meron din doon. Pero kaya, dito kasi naka-ano eh. Naka-slant kasi dito eh. Oh. Doon pwede din doon.
Manila po. Ah, Manila. Pasan sa Manila, sir? Malate.
Malate. Ano oras ka umalis ng Malate?
Parang 10.
10? Ah, okay. Kami sa Makati. Kami mga
Makati,
oo,
siyempre
6. Doon sa may cash and carry malapit.
Ah,
Oo.
lapit lang talaga.
Oo. Ito kami.
Kirino lang eh.
Carry. Ah, malapit lang oh.
Makati na na-part sa inyo.
Oo, Makati na na part. Ganda dito. Ganda ni CR. Pati yung CR ang ganda eh. Parang hotel eh. Dito, pwede din dito siguro. Doon. Wag lang sa mga dulo-dulo kasi malambot eh.
Lang kasi. Sarap itong ano to, kung siomai ni Chef Will. Yan. Yan. With, ano ba to? Chili sauce, calamansi, and toyo. Ah, sarap.
So, good evening. So, meron tayo ngayong mango sticky rice. We're going to make a mango sticky rice. Ito kay Chef Mimi na galing to. We have the rice and the sauce. So, dalawa yan. Isa sa atin, isa kay boss, ano?
Video ko sa campsite.
Oh, sige. Ayan, nagbibideo nga kami ngayon. So, ito ngayon, may mangga na. Tapos, gagawin na natin. Kasi hindi pa siya na-mix kanina. So, kasama na yung mangga. Okay. Isa. And then, okay. Papatong natin dito, no? Tapos patong natin yung mangga dito, no? So, we have to use this one. Yes, the mango sticky rice. Thank you, Chef Mimi, for providing us this one, for giving us the mango sticky rice. So, ito para to kay. And then, ito yung sauce niya. No? So, bigyan natin to kay Boss Ariel. Tara, sige. Bigyan natin kay Boss Ariel. Boss! Ito yung ano, mango sticky rice. Nilagyan ko na ng mangga. Hindi daw muna i-mix eh. So yan, ito yung ano niya. Baka mapanis eh. So yan. So ngayon, tayo naman. So, mango sticky rice. Thank you, Chef Mimi. And Boss Rael. Walang kamatayang? Tansi. Ito pa yung lunch namin kanina. So natira lang, ininit lang namin for the dinner. So may rice pa naman tayo. Okay. Thank you so much. Yan, nagpa-party na sila.
Chill night here at Camp Charlinay. May banda doon. Yan, malapit lang yung banda. Oh.
Singer lang yan.
Ha?
Singer.
Oh. Live band yan. Hindi yan ano, live band. That's live band. Katapos namin nag-dinner. Doon ang kape. Morning, good morning. Strength and coffee.
Yung rating mo? Naka-drop kit ako eh. Bali naka-drop kit ako. Wala nang palit. Order ko sa... Okay, thank you. Oh, kuya, ano ba?
Ano, may tanong ako sa'yo, ba't Camp Charlinay yung pangalan?
Dahil collaboration ng Charlie at saka si Nay, yung misis ko.
Mrs. mo, Nay yung pangalan niya.
Nay yung wife ko, ako Charlie. So Camp Charlie Nay with the letter K.
With the letter K. Okay, sige. Alright, thank you so much.
Salamat. Sana
Alright.
bumalik kayo ulit ha.
Oo.
Nagustuhan niyo yung lugar.
Yep, oh.
Sa ano, sa 25 to...
Alright, good morning, good morning, good morning. It's John Navigator here again and it's Sunday morning. Pauwi na kami. Yan, dito tayo ngayon sa may Camp Charlinay. Paalis pa lang. It's 3 minutes to 9. So yan, ang ganda naman yung experience namin dito. Yan, may little ano pa, little bridge. Sikip dito ah. Oo nga eh, no? Oo nga, oh. Kahapon nung dumating tayo, hindi wala talagang araw eh. Yan yung ano nila oh, yung Little Creek. May creek sila dito, ayan oh. So itong camp ni Boss Charlie, taniman to ng mga ano eh, mga mulberries. So ito yung business niya, mulberry. Alright, now we are on the road na, Galalan Road. So we have just departed Camp Charlinay, and overall it's 10 out of 10 yung weather, di ba? Maganda yung weather eh, kasi ma-foggy siya. Yun nga lang, medyo maulan. So I hope when we come back next time hindi na siya ganun ka hindi na maulan. Maganda. I think you will really appreciate the area, the campsite pag hindi maulan. Ang kapal ng fog. So yun, but surely we will come back. Boss Charlie, see you next time. So thank you for watching everyone. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button, and thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.
I've been trying to make it for some time, but I see that I'm amazed. I've been steady focused on my grind. Do everything, you never leave, you never leave. I tried to deny this, but it's so clear. I'm so glad to have you by my side. You're all I need, my remedy. Baby, make me feel alive. I'll never die. Wherever we go, I like. She bring the fight. Tell the haters step aside. My lady.